Hello guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So CSIR-CCMB has released yet another notification on their skill development program. So this is under the Integrated Skill Initiative by CSIR. So this time this program is going to be on Nano-theranostics for biomedical applications. So Nano-theranostics basically is nanotechnology in combination with diagnostic and therapeutic approaches to create a personalized treatment for diseases. So, this development program is going to be conducted during the period of 27th to 31st October 2025 at CSIR CCMB Hyderabad. So, this is a very great opportunity for students and researchers in the life sciences to come up and be a part of this amazing training curriculum. So, the curriculum will include the lectures and hands on sessions on the synthesis of metal nanoparticles, polymer nanoparticles, targeted nanoparticles, organic quantum dots, and 3D bioprinting of hydrogels. Now, some other parts of the curriculum also includes the nano-theranostics applications of a few synthesized particles, which will include the characterization study using high-end instruments such as TEM, SEM, FTIR, fluorescence spectroscopy, fluorescence microscopy, and other things. So the number of seats for this skill development program are going to be 12 to 14. The minimal qualification required is masters in any branch of life sciences or allied areas. The dates are going to be during 27 to 31st October 2025 at the CCMB Center, Hyderabad. This is going to be an in-house training there. So the mode of selection is going to be through application form and statement of purpose. So make sure that you prepare a very nice statement of purpose to be selected in this program. And the course fee is going to be 18,000 rupees. That will include the accommodation charges also. So make sure that you have a very nice SOP prepared and you do fill out the application form in time. Now moving ahead, some features of the training will include skilled resource person that they will come and provide you the lectures and laboratory training. There will be a nice exposure to laboratory safety regulations. One-on-one interaction will be conducted with the trainers. Evaluation assignments and troubleshooting sessions are also going to be there. And of course, the certification is going to be provided to all the participants. So the link for the application form and how to apply, that you can scan the QR code and get the link also, and also check out the description box. There also you will find the link. The training coordinator name is mentioned here. The training coordinator is Dr. Ira Bhatnagar and the program coordinator is Dr. Archana Bhardwaj. So you can check out their profiles as well at the CCMB website. So this is about the skill development program that they have mentioned so far. Do check out the official notification. Follow our channel for more updates and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Do make sure that you have pressed the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notifications from our channel. We keep posting about internships and workshop programs across life sciences areas that are suitable for students or researchers who are interested in making life science in as a part of their career. So make sure that you follow us and stay tuned for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching.